Iverson. Trying to be the rookie of the year, I need a Letterman. Yeah, I'm still ahead of them, hold up, just let me settle in. They say I need a couple of bangers before I'm relevant. Fuck it, whatever's evident is that I keep killing it. Filling it up, we backpacking in this bitch, man, living it up. One in a million, still the odds for the civilians. How they put me on wax like Brazilians, they get capped like Sicilians. And that's just the way the shit go. Tell the shorty over there, pass the draw and the info. Blown off the endo, high cause I've been low. 33rd floor, watch time fly out the window, I'm gone. I don't know what I've been on, but fuck it, if luck can just strike where I want, then we can be on, and we can take this shit beyond whatever we thought and whatever we saw.